The holiday rush is approaching, so it's time to get your kitchen ready. Today, I'm sharing 35 brilliant Amazon kitchen gadgets, all under $50. These tools will save you time, ease your stress, and make great gifts. Let's find your next kitchen favorite and get you ready for the holiday season. Number 35. Bosca Cheese Curler. For a dedicated cheese board, especially with a cheese like Tête de Moine, this creates those beautiful floral cheese curls that just elevate everything. It's not just for cheese either. It makes gorgeous chocolate shavings for desserts. The build quality is fantastic, stainless steel and real oiled beechwood, so it feels like a tool that will last for decades. Number 34. Upsport Electric Whiskey Smoker Kit. It infuses your old-fashioned or neat whiskey with real wood smoke in seconds. It's not a gimmick, it genuinely changes the aroma and adds a subtle, complex flavor. It's flameless, so it's much safer than using a butane torch, and it has these fun LED lights. Perfect for impressing guests or just treating yourself to a bar-quality cocktail at home. Number 33. FICO Vegetable Cutter. As someone who preps a lot of vegetables, I can tell you a good mandolin is a game changer. This one is stable, has super sharp blades for perfect, consistent julienne, slices, and dices, and it folds up for easy storage. The key here is the time it saves. You can knock out a mountain of potatoes for gratin or coleslaw mix in minutes. Number 32. Modern Innovations Egg Poacher Pan. A must for anyone who loves perfectly poached eggs without the hassle. The 4 non-stick Teflon-coated cups make releasing eggs effortless, while the tempered glass lid lets you monitor cooking without lifting it. What I really appreciate is its versatility. Remove the poaching insert, and it transforms into a durable, everyday pan. Number 31. Faucet Extender. It swivels in every direction, meaning you can finally wash large pots and pans with ease or fill up a watering can without a struggle. The 2 water modes are great, a gentle aerated stream and a more powerful spray. It's made of solid brass so it won't corrode, and it installs in seconds. This tiny gadget can make a huge difference in your daily kitchen routine. Number 30. Sausage Roll Maker by Starblue. It is a brilliantly specialized appliance that turns a complex baking project into a simple, quick snack. It features 4 individual non-stick molds that cook sausage rolls evenly on all sides, delivering a perfectly golden, flaky crust every time. Whip up anything from classic sausage rolls to inventive breakfast pockets or even dessert dumplings in minutes. Number 29. Sliding Pizza Peel. That ultra-thin stainless steel head slides right under your dough without deflating it or messing up your toppings. The sliding mechanism gives you so much control. It's a huge upgrade over a traditional wooden peel for launching pizzas. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and the beechwood handle feels great in your hand. If you make pizza at home, this is a pro-level upgrade. Number 28. Candery Cotton Candy Machine. It is a vibrant, user-friendly device designed to make homemade cotton candy quickly and easily. Compatible with various cotton candy kits, it can produce perfect, puffy clouds of cotton candy in 30 seconds or less. The machine comes with 10 paper candy cones and a sugar scoop, making it ideal for family fun, birthday parties, and other special occasions. Number 27. The Blazing Thaw Defrosting Tray. Designed to quickly and naturally thaw frozen meat without the need for microwaves, cold, or warm water. The tray uses a clever finned aluminum design to pull cold away from frozen meat at an incredible rate. The tray features curved edges to prevent spillage and is available in 3 sizes and colors. It's a simple, brilliant, and indispensable tool for any cook. Number 26. Zen's Glass Tea Infuser Teapot. This all-in-one system lets you steep your tea to perfection in the top chamber and then, with a simple button press, release it into the insulated mug below. The high-quality glass and fine mesh stainless steel infuser ensure a clean, flawless brew every time. It turns the ritual of tea making into a sleek, modern experience. Number 25. Picklahaz Bagel Slicer, designed for slicing bagels and bread. It includes a guided slot for uniform cuts and a removable guard for versatile slicing options, such as portioning full loaves of bread. The adjustable thickness and removable guard make it incredibly versatile. It's a small tool that makes your morning routine safer, more consistent, and effortlessly stylish. Number 24. Gotham Steel Double-Sided Pan, for making fluffy pancakes, omelets, frittatas, and more. Its double dome design and ceramic nonstick coating ensure even heat distribution and easy food release, while the rubber grip stay-cool handles allow for safe and effortless flipping. It is also free of harmful chemicals like PFOA and PFOS, promoting a healthy cooking environment. Number 23. Culinatech Meat Thermometer, for cooking various types of meat. It's 100% wireless, so you can close your oven door properly, and the Bluetooth range is fantastic. For nailing a perfect medium-rare steak, a juicy turkey, or even monitoring a long smoke, this thing is invaluable. It's one of those tools that, once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. Number 22. Microwave-safe bowl holders. They are designed to protect your hands from heated plates, bowls, or other dishes. The four-corner edge design enables easy grasping and removal from the microwave without the need for towels or dishcloths. The bowl holders are machine washable and can also serve as a pot holder, jar opener, or trivet. Number 21. Kitessensu Baking Pan Set of 7 pieces. You get all the basics: round and square cake pans, a loaf pan, muffin tin, and a roasting pan. The non-stick coating is decent for easy release and cleaning, and the fact that they all stack neatly is a huge space saver. While a seasoned baker might invest in heavier-duty individual pieces, this set is perfect for the occasional baker who needs reliable tools without breaking the bank. Number 20. Mastercook Portable Charcoal Grill. This is the ultimate in grilling portability. It folds down flat, making it perfect for car camping, tailgating, or a day at the beach. The adjustable grill height gives you control over your heat, which is a feature you don't always find in portable grills. It's not replacing your big backyard kettle, but for having a real charcoal grilled burger anywhere you go, it's an absolute winner. Number 19. Double-sided cutting board. One side is stainless steel, which is non-porous and perfect for ready-to-eat foods like bread or cheese. The other side is a durable plastic for your raw meat and punch-in vegetables. This built-in color coding system helps prevent cross-contamination. The plastic side has a juice groove and a garlic grater, which is a nice touch. Number 18. Salt container with lid and spoon. It is a clear seasoning rack designed for home kitchens. It keeps your most used spices and salts organized and within arm's reach. The clear containers let you see your stock at a glance, the sealed lids keep moisture out, and the built-in spoons are so convenient. It's a small upgrade that makes your cooking station look and feel more streamlined. Number 17. Wilton Candy Melting Pot. Trying to melt chocolate in a double boiler is finicky and it can seize up in an instant. This little appliance has melt and warm settings that keep your chocolate or candy melts at the perfect temp for dipping cake pops, strawberries, or drizzling over cookies. If you do any kind of dessert decorating, this is a specialized tool that makes the process infinitely easier and less messy. Number 16. Ravioli Pasta Cutter Wheel Set. Making ravioli at home is a joyful process, and these tools make it beautiful. The fluted edges give you that classic wavy edge look that just says homemade. The set gives you different sizes and shapes, and it's a fun, engaging tool for a weekend cooking project that results in something truly special and delicious. Number 15. Coffee Syrup Dispenser Set. If you have more than 1 or 2 syrup flavors, these glass pump bottles are the way to go. They look incredibly professional on your home coffee bar. They dispense the perfect amount with one press, and the included labels keep everything organized. It elevates your morning coffee routine from a simple task to a cafe-style experience. Number 14. Rosius Electric Wine Dispenser. We all know that aeration can soften a young, tannic red wine, but who has time to decant for an hour? This device does it in 6 seconds. One touch and it pours a perfectly aerated glass. It's not an essential, but it's a luxurious battery-operated convenience that turns an everyday glass of wine into a special experience. Number 13. Sanmuzuo 7-inch Cleaver Knife. This isn't a cleaver for hacking through bones. This is the ultimate vegetable knife. The broad blade lets you scoop up prepped food effortlessly, and the Damascus steel holds an incredibly sharp edge. For anyone who does a lot of vegetable prep, fine brunoise, slicing, shredding, this knife is a joy to use. Number 12. Anfalank Compact Toaster. If you're short on counter space but refuse to compromise on a perfect slice of toast, this is the one to get. It has extra-wide slots for thick artisanal bread or bagels, but it doesn't have a massive footprint. The 6 browning settings and dedicated bagel function give you real control. The built-in warming rack is a nice bonus for croissants or English muffins. Number 11. Electric Garlic Peeler. It is an automatic peeling machine designed for small fruits and garlic. In 20 seconds, you have a bowl of perfectly peeled cloves without sticky fingers. It's a huge time saver for meal prep, and it's surprisingly effective. For anyone who cooks with large quantities of garlic regularly, this isn't a silly gadget. It's a legitimate efficiency tool. Number 10. Kinve Pizza Maker. This isn't for making a large family pizza, it's for creating that perfect, personal-sized, crispy crust pizza. It heats up incredibly fast and cooks evenly, giving you a great result in minutes. The fact that it opens flat also makes it a handy little griddle for grilled sandwiches or reheating leftovers. It's compact and perfect for a quick and easy personal pizza craving. Number 9. Transparent Chicken Shredder. It features dense spikes that ensure quick and thorough shredding in just seconds, providing ease of use and saving time. Its 2-part design is held with both hands for simple twisting, and it is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The shredder is made of clear Triton plastic, allowing users to see the shredding process and determine when it's complete. Number 8. Kato Can Crusher. Now, this might seem like a garage tool, but hear me out. If you drink a lot of soda or seltzer, crushing your cans before recycling saves a massive amount of bin space. This wall-mounted crusher is built like a tank. The auto-eject feature means you don't have to touch the crushed can, and it makes the whole process satisfyingly efficient. Number 7. Dandy Scooper Duper for transferring chopped vegetables from your cutting board to the pan. The solid handle ensures food doesn't get tracked, making it easy to clean and maintain. Say goodbye to using your knife as a makeshift shovel or scattering onion bits all over the counter. Simple and clever, this tool will quickly become an essential part of your daily routine. Number 6. Grow Forward Bamboo Organizers. This set includes 14 wooden trays designed to organize and declutter various spaces. Made from eco-friendly biodegradable bamboo, these non-slip storage boxes are sturdy and water-resistant. Customers appreciate their quality, functionality, and aesthetic appeal, noting that they fit well in drawers and keep items neatly arranged. Number 5. Loving X Salad Bowl with Lid for serving salads, fruits, pasta, and popcorn. The bowl is huge, perfect for a family-sized salad, and it's made from eco-friendly bamboo fiber. But the genius part is the lid that doubles as a server holder. You can toss your salad, put the lid on with the fork and spoon tucked in, and take it straight to the table or to a potluck without needing to carry anything else. Number 4. AMS Pass Vacuum Sealer. It is a 6-in-1 kitchen appliance designed to preserve food freshness up to 8 times longer by removing air. It offers 4 specialized modes for various food types, including dry, moist, pulse, and external vacuum for jars and containers. The sealer is easy to use with one-touch operation and comes with a starter kit that includes 10 vacuum bags and an external suction hose. Number 3. Maestri Cold Brew Maker. It is a manual 40-ounce iced tea and coffee maker designed for space-saving convenience. It features a 350 mesh filter for pure coffee extraction and a leak-proof design to preserve the authentic flavor of cold brew coffee. This coffee maker allows users to customize their cold brew strength by adjusting the coffee-to-water ratio, providing a versatile brewing experience. Number 2. Puka Mac Ice Cream Maker. This appliance is fantastic because it comes with 2 bowls, meaning you can make 2 different ice cream flavors at once. Want vanilla and strawberry? Done. The process is simple and the result is a far superior, richer, and creamier product than most store-bought options. The best part is that users can add their favorite ingredients during the mixing process through the built-in ingredient tank. Number 1. Clear Glass Simmer Pot. Why is this my top pick? Because it solves a fundamental problem of cooking. You don't need to lift the lid to check on your food. You can see your pasta water coming to a boil, your soup simmering, your milk warming. It comes with a brilliant clip-on strainer, making it perfect for pasta. This pot isn't just a single-use gadget. It's a beautiful and healthy replacement for your standard saucepan. There you have it, 35 brilliant kitchen upgrades that won't break the bank. I hope this list makes your holiday cooking and gifting easier. All links are in the description. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more.